So when my son was 5 year old, he was almost always into outdoor activities. He was into observing construction, observing painting, observing anything, and always being playing with friends. And I was also little worried, like, oh, he is not into reading, writing, and doing things. And my parents were also worried, and this was little stressing out. Got to know about Arohi, where the child is empowered to learn what they want to learn, and also he can take his decisions from the very young age. And this thought made me, what a lovely thing, that where a child decides for his own learning and for his own journey. So that was very exciting for me, and that's how I landed up in Arohi. My son was in Arohi for more than 10 years, and throughout this 10 years, he has explored, you name it, he has done it. It is like that kind of a thing where he has explored doing construction, making of slabs, making of walls, painting, plumbing, electrical, playing football, and into hockey, and also cooking, baking, tree climbing, rock climbing, surfing, skiing. So there were so many, and also he was going into the village, and he was into farming, and you name it, like, the children have touched so many different. Apart from all these other learnings, he also developed his understanding his own emotions, understanding how he decides, understanding what is his need. He is into organizing, planning, and all these little processes and tools helped him to shape into a beautiful person. And now he is deep diving into football, and he also started exploring football in many different ways. It is just not playing, understanding his body needs, understanding his food needs, understanding where he can get the coaching, and listening to TED Talks, reading about football. And that is where Yashas got interested into reading, and he also did his 10th just for the sake of experiencing, and he were able to read and write for the exams, and he got through that. Yashas is 20 years old. He decided he want to go into professional football. He has joined the club, and he takes care of all his professional journey, whatever is his need. It could be mentors, it could be friends, it could be his training, and all that. And as a parent now, I sit back and relax and look at his journey, how he is taking care of himself ahead, and looking at his ability to decide and take over his journey all by himself.
The help of Delaware practice and the mentors, the help they gave me was a lot, and then it kind of helped me make the decision and to kind of like just shift totally into football and put my efforts there 100%.